Hello, I'm Chad with Butler Contracting. I am the team lead. So this job was a complete H-brace and gate installation, all automated. We had to drill the holes, pour the concrete, set the H-braces, and then mount the gate. Install the automated motor. It's all solar. And then we painted. It's all UL 325 compliant. So the wagon wheels are per customer's request. Prior to the installation, we painted the wheels and the gate back at the shop. And then once they were installed on site, we touched up the wheels and the gate and then painted the H-braces to match. I think they turned out quite nice, very unique. And we had a few other add-ons. Normally the H-braces are about 6 inches above the main gate. Customer liked the extra length, which is no problem, so we left it up for them and added in some material with the cattle panels just to make it one of a kind. Going to use that cattle panel to hang decorations off of and whatnot, address. Today we installed a LiftMaster automated gate system that's a commercial grade, one of the best on the market, very durable, comes with a good warranty, meets all the UL 325 standards. We got our documentation in place for the UL 325, just them are entrapment points for safety. So this unit here, we got it mounted on a pedestal that's got pillars 2 feet in the ground, concreted in. We can either do that or pour a pad and mount it to the pad. So for the keypad pedestals, we drill a 2-foot hole and fill it with concrete for the keypads post. Yeah, that's pretty standard. 3 full days, so did this in right around 30 hours.